Good morning. Today we'll be reviewing multiplication and we'll be introducing a new topic, bar models. Now before we get into bar models, let's just do a few problems together as a class. 4 multiplied by 10. Not too hard. Does anyone know the answer to that? Anyone? Okay. What do you think it is?
40.
Oh, very good. The answer is 40. So how do you know the answer was 40? Yep. Thank you. Next problem. 6 multiplied by 50. Now it might be hard at first, but let's dissect it. 6 times 5 is 30. Yes, very good. Now if we add that 0 to the end, our answer is going to look like 300. Everyone see how we did it? Yes? Okay, thank you. Now, 5 multiplied by 60. It's very similar to the last problem we just did. Let's look how we did this. 6 times 5 times 6 is 30. And we'll add the 0 to the end.
300.
300 again. Wasn't too bad. Now, 9 times 70. Ooh, a little bit harder now. Now, let's do the same way we did the last two problems. 9 multiplied by 7 is...
63.
Are we not sure? 60. I heard 63, but let's double check with our fingers. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go down. It was 63. Good job. Let's fill that in. Oh, 630 because it was 70. We'll add the 0. You guys are smarter than I am. But now let's get into bar models. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, what are bar models? How do they work? Well, that's what I'm going to explain to you guys. So, a bar model, actually let's do it on the board. A bar model is to help you guys visualize whatever multiplication problem you guys are working on. So, let's say we have a problem. We'll just keep it simple. 2 times 2 equals. We're going to figure this out, okay? So, in a bar model, we can split our table into as many sections as we need. Actually, let's make this a little harder. Let's go 2 times 3. So we have 2 groups, and we're going to put 3 in each group. This is a very simple problem. We can see we have a 3 and a 3. Now from here we just add them together to get 6. Okay? Simple enough. This might not be used always. Certain problems will prove to be too difficult, but for what we're doing this week, it'll be fine. Let's go back. So we have a better understanding of bar models. Let's do one together as a class. 4 times 10. So I'm not really sure where to start. Who knows what I should put in the first box? Yeah.
Is it 2?
That's a very good guess. However, we have 4 boxes, and 4 is going to be multiplied by 10. So we're going to have 4 different groups of 10. So let's put the first 10 here. But now we still have 3 other boxes. Anyone want to take a guess what goes in the next box?
10?
Very good. Oops. There we go. We got 2 10s. Now, if you guys are catching the pattern yet, you know what's going to be in the third box?
10.
Awesome. And I'll give you guys a little spoiler. There's going to be a 10 in the fourth box. So now I'm starting to visualize this problem. It's making a little bit more sense to me now. From here, we're gonna go step by step in the problems. So 10 and 10, we know equal 20. So that's one group of 10s. Now we write this down here. Now we still have these other two 10s. So let's just do the exact same thing that we did for the last two 10s. 10 plus 10, that equals 20. Not too hard, but we still have two 20s. And 20's not our answer. We're not done yet. So now we can add 20 and 20 together, and that'll give us our answer. And that's going to be 40. Does anyone have any questions on how we did that? No? Okay, let's move on to the next one. 6 times 40. Ooh, that was a little bit tougher. We're getting into bigger numbers now. Who wants to take a swing at it? Anyone know what's going to go in this very first box?
Are we gonna put 10 again?
Oh, that's a very good guess. However, that isn't not correct. We have 6 boxes. And we need to illustrate 6 different groupings of 40. So, if we're trying to show 6 groups of 40, and we have 6 boxes, what's going to go in one of our boxes? Yeah, you. Oh, 40? Very good. Let me just fill that in. 40. We still have 5 other boxes though. So let's go ahead. That's going to be another 40. Another 40. Another 40. Our 5th 40. And what's going to go in that last box? Yeah.
Is it also 40?
You guys are on fire today. It is another 40. Now, we got our groupings down. I'm not really sure where to go from here. I know 40 plus 40, so let's start with that. 40 plus 40 is 80. And 80 plus 80 is 160. Oh, okay. Now, 160. We got 4 boxes down, but we still have 2 more. Now, 160 plus 40 is what? Does anyone know?
200?
200, yep, it's right there on the board. And then we got 1 more 40 left. It's our last box. You guys got this. What's 200 plus 40?
240.
Awesome. That's our answer, guys. See, the bar model, it helps us illustrate it. We don't need to rely on our, we have a backup plan, I guess. If you're ever stuck on a problem, if 6 times 40 is hard, the bar model will help you guys put it in your own minds. Okay, well, looks like the answer's provided, but we'll still work through the problem. So, 5 groups of 90. I don't know how to get to 450, but if we really think about it, it can't be that hard. So we got 5 groups, 5 empty boxes. What do you guys think is going to go in the first box?
90?
Beautiful. That's a 90 if I've ever seen one. You guys rock. Now we can go ahead and fill in all the other boxes. It's going to be another 90. We're going to have 5 90s in total.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Couldn't you do 90 boxes and fill in the number 5 in each one, or is that too much work?
That's a very good question. And you could do that. If you really wanted to, you could make 90 boxes and put in a 5 each time. But, and this is my personal preference, and I just think that would be a whole lot of work, and I don't have the time to make 90 boxes. And I don't think you guys want to make 90 boxes. So I think sticking with the smaller number and using that as your amount of boxes will make this process go a whole lot quicker. So now, 90 plus 90, we know that is
180.
Thank you. Very good. We still got 3 more boxes. 3 more 90s. I think I'm going to add another 90 to my 180. That's kind of tough though. 90 plus 180. Someone want to help me out with this problem? Yes.
Couldn't we do 18 plus 9 first and then add 100 to it?
Ooh. That's a good guess. But if we did 18 plus 9, that would give us 27. And if we added 100 to it, we'd get 127.
Oh, okay.
I like where we're going with that, though. Maybe we can do 18 plus 9 and then add a 0 to the end. Because we have 180, that's 18 with a 0 at the end. And 90 is a 9 with a 0 at the end. So it just makes sense that we can do 270, which is a 27 with a 0 at the end. So we're getting there. We only have done 3 boxes so far. We still got 2 more. 270 plus 90. Well, let's work through it the same way we did the last one. 27 plus 9. That's still kind of tough. Can someone answer it for me? Who knows what 27 plus 9 is?
36.
Very close. Oh, no. Actually correct. 27 plus 9 is 36. And we'll just put a little 0 at the end. So now we got 270 plus 90 equals 360. And then for the last one, 360 plus 90. Wait a minute. That gives us our answer, 450. We use all 5 boxes, and it checks out. Our answer's correct. We have 1 problem left. It's a little bit harder. We're going to triple digits now. Ooh. Now, will this change our process? Do we put the same number in all 3? What do you guys think? What number is going to go in our first spot?
Is it gonna be 3? No.
3 is a good guess. We could have done 3. However, I think it's going to be a lot easier to do 3 boxes instead of 112 boxes. Because 112 boxes, my hand's going to cramp up. You guys don't want to make 112 boxes, do you?
No.
No. So let's do 3 boxes. So we made 3 boxes. We still have to do something with this 112. Maybe that could go in our first box. Does that sound good to you guys? Okay, sweet. So 112 in our first box. Are the other 2 boxes going to match that, or are they going to be different?
They're gonna match it?
They will match it. You guys are getting this like crazy. 112 in the second box, and 112 in the third box. So let's add these together. 112 plus 112. Feel free to use some paper if you need to write it out.
Okay. 100 plus 100.
Shout it out when you guys got it.
224?
Beautiful. It is 224. We still got 112 left. So 224 plus 112. I don't know. I need one of you guys to tell me. What is 224 plus 112?
Is it 336?
Man, you guys got this. It is 336. So that's going to be our answer. Okay? Now let's just do a few more on the board. Oh, this is erasers. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So I'll let you guys make our bar models this time. Give me a single digit number. Anybody. Could be any number.
6.
6. I love it. That's not the most beautiful 6. Now let's do another number. We'll keep it pretty easy. Pick any 2-digit number.
10.
10. Let's pick a little bit of a harder one.
24.
24. Okay, we can do 24. Now, I'm 20 years old, and I don't know what 6 times 24 is off the top of my head. I would need to look at a calculator or something. But not with the bar model, I don't. So let's make our little box. Don't you just love the way that sounds? So, I can make 6 boxes, or I can make 24 boxes. I think one's gonna be a lot easier.
6 boxes?
6 boxes, let's do it. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. We got 6 boxes. We still gotta do something with that 24. So let's put it 24 in every single box we got here. 24, 24, 24, 24, 24, and 24. I don't know where to start. Maybe it would be easiest to just take it small. 24 plus 24. We can do all of that. 24. 24 plus 24 isn't too bad. Do you guys know the answer?
Is it 48?
It is 48. 24 plus 24 is 48. We got 2 boxes down. We don't need to worry about these anymore.
Okay.
We still got 4 left. You guys want to do 2 24s over here, or you want to keep adding to our 48?
Let's do 2 24s on the other side.
Okay. It's totally up to you. You guys can do whatever makes sense to you. We'll do it this way. We got 24 plus 24 again. We now know the answer is 48. Okay. So we still got 2 48s, and we still got 2 more 24s. I don't know about you guys, but I want to get rid of all these 24s. So let's just add the last 2 together. Well, now we got 3 groups of 48. It's kind of like we're back from the start. But because of that, we just make it a whole nother bar model. So, we used to have 6 groups of 28, but now we have 3 groups of 48. And this doesn't look too bad. I think we can all handle this. 48 plus 48. Easiest place to start. Kind of a tough problem though for addition, I guess. 48 plus 48. Both numbers are around 50. We're gonna be kind of close to 100. 96? Maybe? Huh? Okay. So, let's work this problem out together, guys.
Okay. That was confusing.
So, 48 plus 48. 8 plus 8 we know is
16.
16, yeah. Wow, this marker is not great. So we'll put a 6 down here. We'll move our little 1 up here, okay? 8 plus 4 is...
You mean 4 plus 4?
I do mean 4 plus 4. I haven't done addition in a very long time. 4 plus 4 is...
8.
8. But we can't forget about this 1, so let's add the 1 to the 8 and we get...
9.
9. 96 is our answer. But we still have one more 48 to deal with. We're almost done.
Okay.
Am I almost done? Okay. So, we're almost done. We got this last 48. And we're going to add it to 96. 6 plus 8. Someone can tell me what the answer to that is.
Is it 14?
It is 14. We got the 4 down here. We'll move our 1 right up here. 9 plus 3.
9 plus 4
9 plus 4.
is 13.
It is 13. And we can't forget about that 1.
14.
14. There we go. So let's put our 14 down here. And our answer to 6 times 24 is 114. Now, you don't need to use the bar
You need
model.
144?
144. Guys, it's a Monday. It's not even a Monday. Wow. You guys don't have to use the bar model, but if you ever have a tricky problem like 6 times 24, the bar model is a very good way to visualize it.